probably gonna do it again. Oh my god.
And it went
No. Oh shit!
To follow her around. She keeps getting stuck in weird places. Olha aí.
Caralho, Dog, o Michael Jackson.
What?
People say to get your cats a concrete block. Just get, oh my gosh.
Have to go now. Yes, we have to go inside. Yes.
So Dave actually has a vet appointment next week Wednesday.
Stop being dramatic. Like, use your brain. Come on.
They seem sometimes as if they'll never know.
不要生气。